Hello everyone. Today we will discuss one case-based study question from class 7th. Let's start. In a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks will be given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks will be given for incorrect answer. Now let's see the condition. Gayatri attempts all the question but only 9 of her answers are correct. What is her total score? So what are the total number of questions? Total number of questions are 15. Marks scored for correct answer. Correct answer, we are getting 4 marks for one correct answer. Total number of questions she attempts, that is 9. So 9 multiplied by 4, correct answer marks will be equals to 36. So 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. Now let's see marks scored for the wrong number of answers. For wrong answers, we will be awarded by minus 2 marks. So 6 are the questions will be multiplied by minus 2. We will get minus 12. So the total score will be 36 for the correct answer and minus 12 for the incorrect answer. 36 minus 12 will be the 24 marks she will get. Now for the second question, that is Tejas gets only 5 correct answers. What is his score? So Tejas is scoring 5 correct answer if he is attempting. So marks scored for the correct answer will be 5 multiplied by 4. So that will be 20. Next question is, what is the maximum marks a student can get in the class test? Maximum marks means maximum number of questions are given 15. If he will attempt all the 15 questions and all are correct, then the marks scored for all the correct answer will be 15 multiplied by 4. 60 will be the answer. Remember, maximum marks they are asking and no wrong questions are given. So we will consider he or she will attempt all the number of questions and all are correct. So the marks will be 60. Okay. I hope you have understood. Thank you.